Hello, creative mind. Welcome home. This is the breakdown of how I played this song. So, I played this song using this chord 1, chord 4, and chord 5. Then another chord I use again is this chord, and this chord. So in the left, what I was playing was this. So this is what I play using my right hand. So this is how I play combining both hands. I will take it slowly. So now I'll try playing it on F. If you are new to my channel, I will encourage you to click on the subscribe button and the notification bell. This will enable you get notification anytime I upload video online. And if my video is helpful to you, please like it and share with your friends. And if there is a tutorial you want me to make, please drop it as a comment. See you soon. Thank you for watching.